luck on this country, and maybe the way you're thinking, and maybe there's something you're missing. Some guys, they don't know, they're stuck all up in tough guy shows, wearing what the ladies tell them. Now who's the sucker and who's gonna sell them everything that they wanna? You better watch what you do, cause they're watching you. This education of America. So please don't leave. We're not all lost in this country, just a part of a new minority, using the brain instead of conformity. Those girls you might know, they're pretty but they're so don't show. Caught up in the distraction, don't you know that you're only a fraction of the world growing around us? There's a lot more to see, believe in me, to treat each other how we wanna be. The truth is, I'm happy